In this lesson, we're going to go through our sunscreen example, which was a mixed effects example using our software called JMP. Recall that in this example, our fixed effect is the sunscreen because the company wants to evaluate the effectiveness of just these two products. Then our second treatment factor, which is a random effect, is the technicians because we're randomly selecting 10 from the whole worldwide staff of this company. And we want to, and then for each screen technician combination, we have 2 replicates. Okay, so a JMP is similar to what we did with our random effects. We're going to go to Analyze, Fit Model. Our burn is our response, so we're going to put that in our Y. Again, we are in a full factorial design, so we're going to highlight both screen and tech, go to macro, click on full factorial. Okay, now here's where we have to remember what we considered random and what we considered fixed. Here we had screen as fixed, technician as random, and then our interaction is also random because technician's random. So we're going to highlight these two. We're going to go to attributes and we're going to click random effect. All right. Then just like in our lesson 9 notes, we're going to convert to our expected mean squares. In an balanced design, it doesn't really matter between these two. In an unbalanced, I'd recommend using the restricted maximum likelihood, but for our class, we'll stick with the EMS. Then again, we want to go to the effect leverage. This is just going to get us plots that we're used to seeing. The other one isn't wrong. And then we're going to click run. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down. I'm going to close down the estimates and the expected mean, variance, and even that, just so we can focus. So we have 2 tables. We have the analysis of variance table here, where we'll look at this table to get our MSE and our sums of squared error. We do not, repeat, do not want to use this F ratio or this p-value, okay? Where we want to go to look for our p-values for our main effects and our interaction is down here with the test with random effects. And so you would look here and these match what we saw in our notes. Repeating again, this test denominator synthesis kind of just validates that we're doing the right thing. So screen is being divided by the interaction, which is correct. Same thing with tech. And then the interaction is being divided by the residuals. JMP users, you can also have a variance component right here with the percent of total. And that covers how you would implement a mixed effects model for our sunscreen example.